Loving mother cat, so sleek and wise. Eyes like lanterns, light the skies. You guard your brood with gentle might through the shadows of the night. Oh, lovely cat with a heart so true, you give your all to the ones who grew. With every purr you calm the storm. In your warmth they find their norm. Your whiskers twitch, your tail sways slow.